Bharakadi. Bharakadi is nothing but the combination of Vyanjan and Swar. Swar means a, I, u, ru, a, I, o, aha. From this word we will take these codes and add to the Vyanjan. We will get Bharakadi. Now we gonna add all the letters. Kaka, kiki, kuku, kru. Kekai, kokau, kam, kaha. Kaka, kiki, kuku, kru. Kekai, kokau, kam, kaha. Gaga, gigi, gugu, gru. Gegai, gogau, gam, gaha. Gaga, gigi, gugu, gru. Gegai, gogau, gam, gaha. Chacha, chichi,